Hi, my name is Grace and I am one of the co-founders of Nutimeals. Our vision is to create a space where healthy meals and convenience can coexist. And not only that, but we're also trying to create the resources and tools that people can use when they're setting goals to maintain their healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle looks completely different for everybody, but what it comes down to is the basics, and that is what you're consuming on a day-to-day basis, and that's the most important thing. That's exactly what we're doing with Nutimeals, and it's in the name. Literally, nutritious meals. We offer our customers ready-to-eat meals that they can simply reheat with their preferred method, whether it be the microwave or in the oven or frying pan. We're located right here in Calgary, Alberta, which gives us awesome resources to access through the prairies, and we use all fresh and local ingredients in all of our meals. I think our purpose here really is to help people. That is the fundamental purpose of Nutimeals, and we do that through food, and it's incredibly rewarding knowing that in one way or another we have been able to help someone with the meals that we're delivering to their door.